Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am excited to walk you through the process of creating detailed flowchart diagrams using ChatGPT. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone interested in visualizing concepts, this tutorial is for you. Alright, let us dive right in. The first step is to open your favorite browser and head over to chat.openai.com. Once you are there, you will be greeted by the ChatGPT interface, ready and waiting to assist you. Now, imagine you are tasked with illustrating how the English Premier League makes its money. With ChatGPT, generating a flowchart for this topic is a breeze. Simply type in your command something like, "Give me Latex code of a flowchart explaining how the English Premier League makes money." Once you hit enter, ChatGPT swings into action, providing you with the Latex code you need to create the flowchart. Make sure to copy this code as we will be using it in the next step. Next up, we will head over to Overl, an online latex editor that is perfect for our needs. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, it is quick and easy to sign up using your Gmail account. Once you are logged in, create a new project and give it a name. Now, paste the latex code we obtained from ChatGPT into the editor on Overl. With a click of a button, the magic happens as Overl compiles the code and generates a simple yet informative flowchart illustrating how the EPL makes money. But what if you need something more intricate, more detailed? That is where ChatGPT truly shines. Simply ask it to make the flowchart more complex, and it will deliver. Once again, copy the new code provided by ChatGPT. Back in Overl, replace the old code with the new one and hit recompile. Watch as the flowchart transforms into a more elaborate representation of the EPL's revenue streams. Now, armed with these comprehensive diagrams, you are ready to tackle your assignments, presentations, or any project that requires visual clarity. And the best part? You can always rely on ChatGPT to assist you in creating even more complex diagrams as needed. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating detailed flowchart diagrams using ChatGPT and Overl. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to visualize your ideas with ease. Thanks for tuning in and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and content. Until next time, happy diagramming!